I did you know that the world population consume about 55 billion kg chicken per day? I bet you guys didn't know that. Today I'm gonna contribute to it. Today I'm present to you honey lemon pepper fried chicken. I'm Chef Fitzy. Let's go into our kitchen.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible. Believe
What you mean?
if I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright guys, so we have roughly about 2 pounds of chicken that we washed early on. Look at it, beautiful chicken there. Alright, wash it with some vinegar. So let's introduce you to some of my season. I have roughly about 1 teaspoon of chicken season here, using 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt. We have our lemon pepper here, seasoning, and also some garlic powder we're gonna use. Alright, so we're gonna go into the chicken, go in and season all our chicken with this. Alright, our lemon honey pepper chicken we're making today. So roughly we're gonna go in with our egg too. Yeah, so the help to stick the butter, stick the flour on the chicken. Today I'm not using any milk, I'm just going with the butter, with the egg. Alright. Alright guys, so let's start work on our flour. We have about half cup of all-purpose flour there. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Yeah, so the cornstarch gonna help to give it that flaky, that crunchy look. We're also gonna use some of the lemon pepper. Yeah, going through with a little bit of paprika, just to give a little flavor, and also some chicken season. Alright, so we're just using probably about half teaspoon of the chicken season here. Good. So we're gonna go mix around, incorporate all our seasoning with the flour, and then we're gonna use this to flour our chicken. Alright. Alright, so let's work on the procedure how we're going to go ahead and flour our chicken. So we're going to take the chicken from out that we seasoned up for the last 2 hours. We're going to place it in the flour like this. Alright. And then you're going to shake out the excess amount of flour off it, and you're going to put it on a dry container like that. Alright, so we're going to repeat the process for all of our chicken until it's complete. Alright, so simple and easy procedure that we do. Alright, so here we have our oil preheated for about 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we have our chicken nicely coated that we're going to use. Alright, so we're going to go in with our chicken. So as you can see, going in with all of our chicken. I'm not going to overthrow the pot, so we're going to allow our chicken to fry for about 8 minutes aside, 16 minutes for the entire chicken. Alright, so in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and prepare our sauce. Alright, so in the meantime, let's start work on our sauce. So we're going to go in with about 2 teaspoons of this honey. With our lemon, we have 2 squeezed lemon. We have lemon zest, easy. Alright, with some hot pepper sauce. 1 teaspoon hot pepper sauce. Alright, and we're also going to sprinkle some of the lemon pepper flavor season in it. Alright, just a pinch. And we're going to allow that to come to a boil. And that's it. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove our chicken. As you can see, look at how beautiful our chicken is. Nice and ready to come out of the pot. So let's go ahead and remove all of it. Alright. Nice and ready. All of our chicken here. Look at how beautiful that is. Good. Alright, so while it's hot, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my honey lemon pepper sauce all over my chicken. My word. Wow, it looks so good. Alright, sprinkle a little fresh parsley over it, yeah. Nice. Whoa. Fresh parsley over it. Look at it, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. And there you have it, guys. Your honey lemon pepper chicken. Make easy on the Fitzy Cooking Show. I hope you guys continue to enjoy my recipe. Continue to subscribe. Wait, you not subscribe yet? Wait, what you waiting on? Press that notification to get my next new videos. Yeah man, I'm out.